After.
After.
Okay, I give you 1 minute.
This takes a while.
Okay. Actually, 2 minutes.
I'm gonna take like 10 minutes.
No, not 10 minutes.
Let me count to 3 minutes.
Wait, I want you to get one.
First strike.
Not sure.
First strike.
Damn, I'm just too good at breaking. Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Damn!
Damn. What are you doing? You could!
Oh, that was a fail, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, it pisses me off. I gave you one too. Well, your strategy works. Well, I actually didn't. I did one up.
You guys help me play hockey here.
Oh. No, stop!
We're playing
Stop!
hockey here.
Don't touch, okay?
We're playing hockey here.
Don't touch, okay?
Well, we're playing hockey.
No, we are.
Yes, we are.
Later, okay?
Yes, we are.
Later.
Yes, we are.
Later.
Yes, we are.
Stay here. Don't touch anything. If you touch anything, I'm not playing this. Okay? Okay? I won't play with you ever again.
Okay.
Don't touch anything.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you. Shit. What am I? Solids. I'm solids. Yeah.
You are so lucky. You know that, right? Kids,
No.
that previous shot, you don't call that skill. You call that luck. Okay? Remember that, kids. Kids! Just randomly hitting. Second one I give to him today. Wait, let me do my hair. No, I'm kidding. Second one. It's pissing me off. I think the only reason why he's gonna beat me, well, that he could beat me, is because I'm giving it to him. Look at that! What the fuck? Okay, let me tell. Oh! Yes, oh, perfect. Don't have anything. Hit it off that one. Thank you very much. Thank you, come again. Thank you, come again. Oh, what the living crap?
Expression. I touched the red button. You're tired.
Do not.
Dude, the first 5 minutes of this game is gonna be so bad to watch for me. But
Yeah, I know.
I played them. I gave you 2. I should be winning by 2. Instead, it's tied.
Okay. I give you 100 seconds to finish it.
And what if I don't?
I'll count to 100.
If I don't finish it, what happens? You know what will
And I'll
happen?
still push.
Touch it, you know what will happen?
And you know if you're still playing if I count to 100.
Sorry.
You
Don't kill me. You're gonna kill me. You?
yeah.
How? Sorry. Try to kill me right now. I'm not. Dude, I'm paying.
Same.
Yes. Trash. I don't know what I'm like.
Okay,
Well,
I'm
I'm
gonna
hurt.
aim for something.
Okay, Mateo.
Decent.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm rushing it right now. See how I'm rushing? I'm playing so bad.
I'm gonna get them near the hose now. To get these stuff.
Oh, yes!
We lucky. Or
Oh, that just pisses me off. Yeah, look at the orange. It's like same position as before. I didn't mean to do that, but of course, safe. It's just trash. Yes, or all of your balls.
oh no!
But dude, look at my blue. It's such bad placement. Oh, come on. Come. That's so good for me. No, hey! That's so good for me because I was never going to get to this one. I was never going to get to it. I was probably going to miss this, but I can clear it. That pocket. Oh! Trash. 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 Trash.
No, it's just the egg ball. Yeah.
It's good for you. More. If I hit it here, I'm pretty salty. That. Woo! Woo! I'm happy I didn't make it because I think if I did, I put more angle. Oh, fuck! This is a really ugly thing. Really, really ugly.
Okay. 10 minutes is off. I already counted.
You didn't call it. You're so stupid.
Okay. This game's over.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay,
But I
let's
have to
go.
go. I'm sorry.
Okay, how about you?
I have to go.
Okay, he won. That's a stupid mistake on my part.